Here is the house in Eastport we did. Complete renovation. It's a 1800s house. They did not want to go with preservation, so we strictly went with identical colors, just in vinyl. Same clapboard style. This is called Dutch lap. We went with new porches. Redid all the trim where it was rotten. Redid the floors, the walls on the bathroom floors. Working on putting the fence up along the property line. So if you would like to see what this place looked like before, I will post it in the video. We took this driveway up. It was tar, all cracked and uneven. They had somebody come in and put down crushed stone, put a new window in the basement because it was all rotted out. We redid all the structure, all the finish work, detail on the pillar to the left. Copied the pillar to the right. New light. So it came out pretty awesome. They're really pleased with it. I will do a shot from the road once the cars go by so I don't get run over. Don't forget to run over. Here it is. So there's a picture of the house. It's about 2,200 square feet. The roof was green before, half green, half black. It had about 7 layers of shingles on it. Double deck, so you can go into the backyard without coming around. If you're grilling, whatever. Yeah. So we're gonna get back to work. I just wanted to give you guys an update on the yellow Dutch lap 1800s house in Eastport, Maine. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and please comment below. Thank you.